Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I was contacted by Monvict to do a review of their glue gun. So I'm going to do an unboxing and a review with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And take it out so we can see what it looks like. So it arrived pretty quickly, and it's ordered through Amazon, and they have also provided me with a 20% discount for all of my subbies. So that will be located in the description box. They also sent me an email when I ordered telling me how to use their product, and they've included this. And then on the back, it tells you how to use it. And it looks like you get glue sticks, and it takes the large ones. You get 12 glue sticks. And you get some of those safety protectors for your fingers. And you get 3 different sizes, it looks like. So we will be using those today when I do a demo. So there you go, there's 3 sizes. So we're just gonna take this apart. It also says that once it's heated, you can unplug it and also use it unplugged. So I'm just gonna plug it into the back here. And although it looks quite large, it's actually really light. And it has a nice base so it can stand up, so that's nice. I'm gonna plug it in. And the switch is on right here. It looks like there's a low and a high. Yeah. I'm putting it on high. And I'm going to insert a glue stick. I probably should have did that first. And you're probably gonna have to do 2. There we go. I hope y'all can see that. There you go. Maybe I should lift y'all a little. Sorry guys. Here we go. So we're gonna let it warm up. It has a light on the back, so it shows you that it's on. I like that it has this base for standing. I like that it comes with the thumb protectors or the finger protectors. So the project I'm working on, let me show y'all so you can see what we're gonna do. I made this little chick right here, and we're gonna glue some flowers on it once it heats up. It says it takes, let me look. Two to 5 minutes before use. So I'm gonna watch the time. And I'll make sure there's no dripping. I'm gonna watch for that also. Because I really don't like that. A lot of dripping does not make me happy. But like I said, it's very lightweight. So if that interests you. But it is quite sturdy. I have a really small desk, guys. Okay, we have about 1 more minute, and then I'm gonna try it out. That's on the low end. It says the longer you have it plugged in, the longer you can use it cordless. And it says to save glue sticks and no dripping, please shut off the power a few minutes before stopping use. Okay, I'm putting the small one on my finger. And I'm gonna see if it's ready. Okay. I don't think it's ready. Why isn't this one going in? Let's try it again. No, it's not. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's me. You have to really push it in the glue stick, guys, so you know. You have to really push in the second glue stick. So here we go. I'm gonna try it out and see if it's ready. Yes, it is. Make sure I'm in frame. And we're gonna start going to town. See what I think of it. I'm getting it on my, maybe I should do it on this finger. Okay, let me get myself together. I think I might need to let it heat another minute. Because I got strings going. It's not dripping, so that's really nice. And to pull the trigger, it is really easy to do. So those of you who have problems with your hands, it doesn't take much force to move it. So that's really nice. And I have fibromyalgia, so I like that. So we'll just do some more. And in a second, I will start trying it cordless. My chick is gonna be so cute. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it now from the back, which is right down here. So I just took it out. So we're gonna go ahead and use it cordless. I really like it. Surprised I do, because when I first glance, I was like, that thing is a monster and I'm probably not gonna like it, and I like it. I'm actually really liking it. I like that you can do it cordless. I like that a lot. So guys, my review and my final thoughts are that it is a good glue gun. The only thing that I wish was that it was a little smaller, but other than that, it works as described. I like that it takes the big glue sticks. I like that it is sturdy and that it stands upright. I like that it's easy to pull the trigger. I like that it came with the thumb or the finger covers, because I always burn myself. I like that it has two settings, the heat settings. I just turned it to the middle. Right here is the settings. There's a 2, there's a 1, and then there's the middle. I just turned it off. So we're gonna sit here. Let's see if it drips now. So let's give that a little bit and let me see. But honestly, it doesn't look like it's gonna. I don't see any glue hanging out. I'm impressed. So again, the name of the company is Monvict, M-O-N-V-I-C-T. Here it is on the side, and they're on Amazon, and I have a 20% discount code down in the description box. I thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.